In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and restore version history in Google Sheets. This is a great way to see what changed, when it changed, and who made the edits, and it also gives you the safety net to roll back to an earlier version if something goes wrong. Start by opening your Google Sheets document in your browser. Give it a moment to load fully so the menus and options are available. At the very top left of the screen, click on File. This opens a drop-down with a range of options related to your document. From that drop-down, move your cursor to Version History. A small sub-menu will appear. Click on See Version History. When you do, a panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is the Version History panel, and it's where you can explore how your sheet has evolved over time. In this panel, you'll see a chronological list of versions, each with a timestamp that indicates when the changes were saved. You'll also see the name of the editor associated with each version, which is helpful for understanding collaboration and accountability across your team. Depending on your document's activity, you may see versions grouped by date for easier navigation. To preview any point in time, click on a version in the list. The main sheet on the left updates to show you exactly how the document looked at that moment. You can scroll, switch tabs within the sheet, and examine values and formulas as they existed then. This is especially useful if you're trying to pinpoint when a formula changed, when data was overwritten, or when a particular structure was introduced. If you decide that an earlier snapshot is the one you want to bring back, look to the top of the Version History panel and click Restore this version. Google Sheets will restore the document to that selected state. Don't worry, restoring doesn't delete your newer work from history. It simply makes the chosen version the current one. If you change your mind, you can return to the version history again and choose a different point in time. A quick tip as you review. Take your time clicking through versions to compare key cells or tabs. You can use the timestamps as reference points, such as before or after a meeting or import, to speed up your search. And that's it. You've opened your sheet, navigated to version history, reviewed earlier versions, and learned how to restore a previous state with confidence. This simple workflow can save you hours and protect your data whenever changes don't go as planned.